Hindi dahil madilim, kaya nagbabago ang lahat, kundi dahil sa presensya ng liwanag. And today, brothers and sisters, there were people who are sitting in darkness have seen a great light. Pwedeng magtanong sa inyo, dilim ba kayo? Kasi simula nung nakilala ko kayo, wala na akong makita. Brothers and sisters, to the people who live in darkness, ito yung liwanag para sa kanila. Si Jesus na nagbibigay ng tunay na liwanag, siya mismo ang magbibigay ng liwanag sa lahat ng mga taong naninirahan sa kadiliman. And so my brothers and sisters, when we say darkness, it is not about just the pinapatay ang mga ilaw. Darkness also represents yung mga taong nabubuhay sa kasalanan. They were also living in darkness. Those people who are suffering, they also wanted, lagi silang madilim ang kanilang mukha, madilim ang kanilang paligid. Because people who are in fear, in pain, and in suffering, and especially people who are committing sin, always live in darkness.